reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amirah. Today we are taking you along with us through Disney's Contemporary Resort. I wanted to show you a few things from the hotel as well as give you a full room tour of our 1-bedroom condo that we have here. This is a 1-bedroom that has 2 full bathrooms. It also has a pull-out sofa that fits 2 people as well as a sleeper chair, which we've never used before, so we'll have to let you guys know how that works out. But we got a first floor room, and I'll take you through the whole room and show you each thing that's here in the condo, as well as include a few things from around the resort. And I hope you guys are having a great start to your year. Let's get into it.
I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So this is the 1-bedroom villa over at the Contemporary Resort, and we are in the Bay Lake Tower.
In my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know.
Oh, what a pretty view. We've never stayed on the first floor at Disney before. This is our first time, but it actually is a great view.
Second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there.
We've actually never stayed at Contemporary Resort, so this is our first time for that too, and that's very exciting for us. We don't get to experience many new things because we come here all the time, but for some reason we just never have been at this resort. I was just thinking it's so easy to walk into Magic Kingdom though. So here's the view from a first floor room. As you saw, we're in 7142. Beautiful. They've got some music playing when you come in. Turn the music off before I get copyrighted on that. So this is a queen size sleeper sofa, and then this chair here is a bed as well, and we needed that since we have 2 teenagers. We always try to get separate sleeping accommodations, which that means when you're booking a hotel at Disney, they don't really do rollaway beds as much anymore, because we were looking at staying at Grand Destino. So if you do need that 5th sleeper or you have extra people in your party, there are certain rooms within the property that do have this extra sleeping, which is always nice. If you've done any of my other room tours with me, I've shown you Disney tries to take space anywhere they can for storage. So this here will open up and also have storage in there for blankets and whatnot. Sometimes the extra bedding for this sofa bed would be in there. Very, very modern, obviously, with a Contemporary Resort, but let's see, what is this? Oh, this is one of those pull-out spice racks, or for canned goods or whatnot. That's cute. I'm more of a traditional sort of girl, so we have lots of traditional stuff at our house, more so than contemporary, but both my kids seem to like contemporary stuff. So they probably are going to be thrilled with this hotel. Let's see what they give us here. This is a vacation club property, I believe. We just booked it as a regular room and we got a discount. This time, not with pass holder or Florida resident, but with our military discount. So they do have great discounts when you can get one. Just ask what's available. So they just have some hand soap and then the dish detergent and whatnot. They have a little sponge. They normally always have the little paper towels and things you might need. Towels. They've got stemware up top. Little short tea glasses. A cooking dish. Let's see what's up top of the refrigerator. Okay, so they've got mixing bowls and a measuring cup. Oh, this one's pretty well outfitted with things that I would definitely use. We're only going to be here for 3 days, so we probably won't cook much in the room this time, but it is nice to have this as an option. Good size fridge. Here's another one of those little pull-out racks. So they have multiple ones in here. under the sink, you've got your garbage and recycle cans, dishwasher, got a coffee maker, a 4-person toaster, which is nice, or 4-piece toaster. And then they've got plenty of coffee made. Let's see, now this is new for the 50th. They just have the Joffrey's traditional coffee that they normally have. This is dark roast, and they just have it in the celebratory packaging. So that's nice. Let's see what's above the coffee maker. So you've got all your coffee mugs and plates, and these are interesting. Let's look at these. Oh, how cute. So they have triangular plates. That's actually really cute. Something very unique to Contemporary. So I'm assuming this is a serving tray up there. It's a little high up. I don't want to drop it, so I'll have my husband get that down when he gets here so I can see what it is. And then over on this side of the kitchen, there's like a little island. And here in the island, there's a lot of drawers. So here is all your flatware, and they have plenty, it looks like, for at least 8 people. Even though this room only sleeps, I think, 5 or 6. And then here's all your cooking utensils there. And here they have like a can opener, tongs, a turkey fork, and a serving spoon. And then let's see, they've got extra paper towels and a cutting board and another baking dish down here. And then over here, you've got a few pots and pans. So pretty nice. All right, so let's see, here is the laundry closet. This was up by the front door, just so you guys can see that. And they do give you some eco-friendly washing detergent here as well. I would just always bring my own fabric softeners and stuff anyway. And this looks like it's probably an adjoining room, which is nice, I guess, if you need the space. There is a front closet here. And in here you have your laundry basket and an iron and ironing board. Plenty of space to store your luggage. I know some people come and they stay like 3-4 weeks. It's pretty amazing. Now this unit is really cool because it has 2 full bathrooms, which is awesome, especially if you have kids or whatever. So you have your private master bath, and then you have a separate bathroom out here. So this is the guest bathroom, or for the people that are staying. So this is what is available in here. There's a dryer, some tissue, and then we've got your traditional H2O beauty products, a Kleenex container that have extra towels, washcloths, and this is a regular full-size tub. Now some of these rooms have where it's like mounted to the wall here, and that's where they'll have like shower gels and shampoos and whatnot. But in this one, they actually are giving you separate, which I prefer anyway, just for sanitary purposes. So this is a nice big space. So it's completely separate. You have a door to close off the rest of the condo from you. And then this is the view out the master bedroom, which is nice. I don't know though. I've never stayed on the first floor, like I said, so people walking by might tend to startle me if I'm not thinking about it. All right, we have a closet in here as well, and this is where the safe is. And you have a rack to sit your luggage, and then they do have hangers here for slacks and blouses as well. And then let me get the bathroom light on here for you guys. All right, so this is really nice because you've got a huge jacuzzi tub, which is really nice to just relax or whatever after a long day. We normally are so busy at the parks, we don't have time to do that, but they do offer that here on the master side. And then here you have more toiletries, tissue, and underneath the counter that you have a hair dryer, They also have like a little diffusing piece here as well, and then they have backup tissues under there. I doubt there's anything in the doors, but we're just gonna see. Nope. And then on this side, you actually have a completely separate shower, which is really nice. So you can have multiple people getting ready at one time. And then you do have the separate toiletries over here as well. So a really nice size shower. It does have the rain head up there as well. And this is on the other side. So this actually has a door in between also. So you can just shut this off, which I like. So you've got basically between here and the bedroom or the outside room, you have multiple doors that just shut off for privacy. So that's really nice. Now I think this opens as well into the master. Oh my goodness, you guys, this furniture, leave me a comment if this reminds you totally of the 80s. Okay, I think it's like more updated and they tried to make it super modern, but I swear this black with the trim like this reminds me so much of 80s furniture. So this is a king size bed on this side. And there's some nice new modern Mickey artwork. Okay, so these doors do open. So there you can see after we slide those little doors to the side, you can see through back to the other side of the bathroom. And there goes more people. I like to have a view, but I definitely prefer to be on an upper floor because I want to just be able to relax in my room and look out at the view and not have people there. So second floor is nice. I'm more of a person that likes to look down on everything and you know, kind of be private, whereas some people just would sit out here. I do see a lot of people at the Disney hotels that just sit outside and they wave and talk to people when they walk by, but which I'm pretty friendly, but I don't know. I'll see how that works out with this time. So if I can show you this over here too. In the other room, I saw a door with a blind on it. So that's the living room part that walks out to here as well. It's just there's a chair blocking it right now, so I'm gonna move that over so the kids can get out this way. But all in all, it's still really nice. That's gonna be beautiful tonight. I know over the marina, it'll just look super romantic. We are going over to the yacht club tonight for dinner and just walking around the boardwalk because we won't go into the parks until tomorrow, but this will be super convenient to just walk into Magic Kingdom. I did want to point out this desk does not have a drawer at all, which is very interesting to me. So they used to have like stationery and pens and things at the desk, and they don't have that at this desk. So I'm assuming maybe it's over here in one of these nightstands, if they still have stationery. They may not offer stationery anymore. Look over here. No, no stationery. They do have the Holy Bible, which we tend to have in a lot of hotels in America, but no stationery or pens. There may be some out in the front, but this is the first resort we've stayed at on property that does not have that type of thing at the desk, so that's kind of unique. This is interesting. There's a digital video in. There's this whole box here, and I've never seen this at a different Disney resort either, and we stayed at many of the properties here, so that's something unique for this hotel too. So far, I've never seen that at Riviera or any of the other hotels we've stayed in, so something new.
I just don't know. it's profit time for now. Somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Rolling Stone. Tonight, never to be said. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, got this in a bag. I don't know how to hide. I ain't a person who understands the commitment. Just don't know. If you reach out to somewhere else when I just want you, there was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Let me know in the comments if you guys have stayed at this hotel and what your favorite property is here at Disney. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.